Alrighty. What's up, guys? What can I get you, man?
Chocolate dip.
Chocolate dip? One, two, got a long line. Did not expect this. Here you go, kiddo. Should that be all, Mom? It's gonna be $4. Thank you. Here you go. Have a good one. Need more napkins. What's up, guys? Doing good.
Chocolate with the chocolate shell.
Yes, sir. Chocolate shell. Cracked on me. 1, 2, 3. Should that be all, boss? Alrighty. Here you go. Here you go, brother. Have a great night. What can I get you guys?
Can I please have the top noodles?
This one? All right. Here you go. Is that all? Yeah, chocolate rainbow. Apple Pay's cool. Here you go. Here we are. Have a good one. Can I take who's next? What's up, guys?
Yeah, we'll do a strawberry shortcake waffle.
One strawberry shortcake waffle. Here we are. Here you go, kid. And if,
and that one or this one? Okay, and then just the strawberry shortcake cone.
in a cone? How are you guys?
How are you?
Wonderful.
You have lots of exciting.
Beautiful. I'm very excited. Apple Pay's cool?
Yeah.
Here you go. Thank you. What's going on?
Can I have a chocolate ice cream in a cone with flavor?
Of course. Rainbow. Here you go.
What is the one? Can I have a strawberry shortcake sundae?
Sure. Strawberry shortcake sundae. There you go. There you go. You're welcome. Is that all? It's gonna be $10. Oh, nice. I forgot.